Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to run multiple accounts on Roblox. First, you want to open up any web browser you have. I am going to be using Microsoft Edge for this video. Next, type up Prosex64 on the web. Scroll down until you see the one in text spot. Then there should be a download button which you click and it will scroll you down. Just click the installer option. An ad will pop up. Click continue to download at top right. It should then say click here, then click the click here text, then it should pop up. Then get into Roblox player. Log into another Roblox account on any web browser. Then type up in the search bar below in your Windows PC ProXCP, then click run as administrator. Then in ProXCP in the filter by name at top right search Roblox. Then click on the Roblox player beta.exe at bottom, select handle. There should be an event called the Roblox Singleton event. Just right-click that and click Close Handle. Then the account that you logged in with the web browser, just join a game. If you want to use more accounts, log into another account, then another Roblox player beta.exe should appear in ProX. Just do exactly you did with the first one. And that's how you run multiple accounts on Roblox. Hope it helped.